Hey everybody, it's Ben here from the Lantern Group, and I'm with Kurt Nelson, who is our founder and our resident behavior change expert. Today we're going to pull back the curtain on a project that we're both really proud of. It was helping a major biotech company thrive through change during a very high stakes acquisition.
Yeah, Ben, this was a big one. The company was going through a major transition. They were being acquired by a much larger organization. Now, understandably, the leadership team was worried. Uncertainty was high, and so was the risk of losing their top talent. And they had actually even projected the potential of losing 15% to attrition of both leadership and their team members.
Which is a big number, especially when you're talking about top talent, right? And that means that this wasn't just about managing change, it was about leading effectively through it. And the key term there is that leading aspect of it. Because of this, the head of global value and access came to us because she knew that if her leadership team wavered, then the rest of her organization was going to follow them.
Exactly, Ben. So we partnered with her to design a full scale initiative that we called Thriving Through Change. And it started with a future visioning offsite that I led with the leadership team for the leadership team to define what success could look like on the other side of the acquisition.
Yeah, and this wasn't just a one and done event, right? We built a sustained strategy. We did monthly in-person leadership workshops, training sessions, we held company-wide webinars, and we even did some one-on-one coaching with leadership. So this wasn't just a surface level change. It's where we embedded behavioral ideas deeply into the work and into the organization through this transition.
Right. And the content that we delivered, it focused on the science of change, on emotional safety, powerful communication, and decision making under uncertainty. We didn't just tell the leaders what to do, we gave them tools in order to be authentic, resilient, and to be human.
Exactly. And the results, they honestly speak for themselves. 9 out of 10 leadership goals were hit. Only one team member left out of 100 or so
Yeah.
versus 15% of the expected attrition. And the engagement levels, they didn't just hold, they actually improved. And this was during a time when most companies see the bottom completely fall out.
And what I loved was at the end of this, we asked the leaders what they learned. And here's what they said. They said, FaceTime matters, that it's okay to take risks, that you can't ignore the emotional side of change. And sometimes the biggest shift comes from simply creating a safe space to talk.
That's right. So if you're navigating change, whether it's a merger, a reorganization, or just a period of uncertainty, which we all come across quite often, and you're worried about how it's going to impact your people.
This is exactly the kind of work that we do. So reach out. Let's talk about how the Lantern Group can help your leaders not just survive, but how they can thrive.